Welcome to this AT&T Collaborate video tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to forward calls on your Polycom phone. You can forward calls to an extension or any 10-digit phone number. There are 4 different feature codes for call forwarding. The feature code for call forwarding always is *72. This option will forward all calls to the number you've designated. The feature code for call forwarding no answer is *92. This option will forward any unanswered calls. The feature code for call forwarding busy is *62. This option will only forward calls if your phone is busy. The feature code for call forwarding not reachable is *94. This option will forward calls if your phone can't be reached due to a power or network outage. For example, to turn on call forwarding always, dial *72, the destination number, and press the green phone icon at the top of the screen. All calls that you receive will be forwarded to the number you've designated. To turn off call forwarding always, dial *73, press the green phone icon, and wait for the confirmation message. The 4 feature codes for turning off call forwarding are *73 for call forwarding always, *93 for call forwarding no answer, *63 for call forwarding busy, and *95 for call forwarding not reachable. Thanks for watching this AT&T Collaborate video tutorial.